ZiHua, so shall we start a bit earlier? Okay. All right. Do you remember what we learned last week? We learned about the periodic
Periodic
table.
table.
Yeah. So the alkali metals are the ones on the far left. The lower you go, the more reactive.
Okay.
All right. The size becomes bigger. The density increases, the reactivity increases, but the melting point decreases. Okay, so it's called alkali metal because when you put them in water, it produces alkali and releases hydrogen gas. So the hydrogen gas is seen as physics. All right. So the first two will fizz, but it will fizz faster as it goes down. Potassium is so reactive that not only it fizzes faster, it will burst out into flames. The density of these metals are very low, so they will float on water. Halogens are the other way around. They are non-metals. As you go down, you become less reactive because the size is bigger. Now, the density increases, melting point increases, color becomes darker. So we did a whole list of the colors. Do you remember? Did you write down your notes?
Oh, yes. We
Okay.
did one. Chlorine is yellow, and then chlorine is also yellow. Green.
Greeny,
Chlor
yellowish green, yeah.
uh Br is brown liquid, and then iodine is a black solid.
Okay. So
And
as
then
you can see, yeah, as you go down, it becomes darker and
NaCl, all
darker.
those are colorless.
Yeah. So the density increases, but the reactivity decreases. This is shown in the reaction called displacement. So a more reactive group 7 can displace a less reactive group 7. Okay? So we talked about half equation, word equation, ionic equation, and color change. I hope you remember. You remember?
Yes.
Okay. Now, okay. Now, after that, we talked about group 8. Group 8 is noble gases. Okay, they are noble because they all have a full outer shell, so they will not react with anybody else.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Now, what happens is they are all called noble gases because they all exist as gas. Okay, that's number one. Number two, they all have a full outer shell. Okay, do you remember?
Yes.
And helium has only octet, the rest all have duplet. Sorry, only helium has duplet, the rest all has octet. Okay, now finally we talked about group 7 versus group 1 versus transition metal. Okay, all metals are shiny, all metals can conduct electricity, all metals uh, can conduct heat, all metals are malleable. However, there's a difference between group 1 and transition metals. That's what we're going to continue today. So, first we talk about physical properties. Okay. So, physical
Yes.
properties. Group 1 has lower density. Transition metal has higher density. Group 1 has low melting point. Transition metal has high melting point. Okay? Group 1 is soft.
Yes.
Group transition metal is hard. Okay.
Oh,
Chemical
okay.
properties. Okay. Group 1 is more reactive, cannot form, uh, cannot not form, cannot be used as catalyst.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I forgot one more. Group 1 forms only white or colorless compounds. Example, sodium chloride is white. Transition metal forms colored compounds. Example, copper 2 sulfate is blue.
Okay.
Okay, now, chemical property, group 1 is more reactive, it's not a catalyst, and only has one oxidation number. Okay, transition metal can be used as catalysts. In chemical reactions, they can be used as catalysts. They have various oxidation number, and they are less reactive. Okay, are you done?
Almost. This one is lagging. Yeah.
Hmm?
My computer a bit lagging.
The what?
Nothing. Wait, now thing one so maybe just scroll up a bit. Oh, nothing now. Okay.
Okay, now we're going to learn one last part, which is cross a period. Meaning from group 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8. Okay? We give an example for period 3. Sodium,
Period 3.
magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Okay? So it goes from metal to non-metal. And then these oxides, metal oxides are basic oxide. All the oxide here are acidic oxide.
Oh, okay.
Then aluminium is special, amphoteric. Let me know when you're done.
So I give a name for huh?
What did you say? No, I said let me know when you're done.
Oh, okay.
No. So I sent you a document just now, right?
Yeah.
Can you open that document?
Oh, uh-huh.
Okay. Let's try and do a few, not do all lah. Let's just do a few. Can you do question 1
Uh-huh.
under question 5? That's it. 1 to
Okay.
5 only. Okay? Do 1 to 5. Okay, correct. This is the state and this is the formula. Okay? Non-reactive. Group 7. Positive 1 charge. Aluminum period 3. Okay, good. Present chloride and bromine because bromine cannot displace chlorine. You must explain why. You must say chlorine is more reactive. Okay? Yeah, cannot displace. You must explain why. More reactive than bromine. Okay? Magnesium iodide reacts with bromine. Bromine iodide. Okay, correct. You write your uh, correction already, sir? So, did you write your correction already?
Yes.
Physical state of is above melting point, above its melting point, but below boiling point. Okay, increases on a group. Okay, can you please do this correction? Okay. Describe the trend density. Density increases down the group because density increases down the group because re relative. Okay, so it's actually not relative atomic mass. So you look at this. This is fluorine. Fluorine is 27. This is chlorine, 287. The size of the molecule increases or decreases. The relative molecular mass, molecule, and size of molecules increases. Now, I want you to compare two fluorine molecules. What is the attractive forces between them? And two chlorine molecules, what is the attractive forces between them? I'm not asking about this. This is covalent bond, I know. In between them called what? In between molecules called what?
Between molecule,
What is it called? Inter?
intermolecular forces.
Okay, so because the molecules are getting bigger, the intermolecular forces of attraction increases. Do you understand? You get it? Write down already? Okay. Alloys, correct. Chromium. Achieve full outer shell. This is only one mark to achieve full outer shell. Okay, can you please write down this correction? Okay, do you understand? Uh, the electron. You have to explain a bit more. Gives about number of outer electrons and the number of outer electron free, electron shell free. Okay, uh, 283. Okay, same number of valence electron. Okay, correct. Okay, good. Is it easy?
Not really, but not really hard.
Okay. We did answer question 5, right? Okay, I want you to do
Yeah.
question 6, uh, 6 and 7. Okay? Can you do it now?
Yes.
Okay. Both are about group 1. I think you should be able to do it.
Okay.
Maybe, okay, Zoha, just do question 6 first. Just do question
Okay.
6 first, okay?
6, 7.
No, just do 6. Don't do 7 yet. Are you done, Zaha? Done? Predict one physical property of repeating which is the same as that transition element electricity. The okay. Still orange.
Oh, dami naman to.
Sorry?
Ah, thing.
Okay. See, not very hard, right? Okay, so question 7 is similar. Question 7 is similar. Okay. Uh, question 8 only is a little bit different. Okay. Can you look at question 13 and tell me your answer? What's your answer? So long one. ZiHua, which one is your answer? Question 13. You just have to tell me your answer.
A.
Why?
Because like density increases down the group.
Okay. Alright, so remember I taught you already.
Yes.
Going down group 1. Okay?
No.
Going down group 1, density increases. So potassium is more dense than lithium. Okay. Uh, okay, last question. You finish this question and you can go. Because we started early and we end earlier, okay?
15.
Yeah, question 15.
D.
Why?
Because increasing the distance
Sorry, you said B or D?
D. Because
D.
like how to say because pull from the like the force between nucleus is weaker at greater distance, so it become
Increasing
harder for
distance
it.
between nuclei makes it harder for atom to travel. Okay, correct.
Yay.
Okay, one last question. Okay, 19. What's your answer?
Thinking. That thing. B.
Why? Because everything else is wrong.
Yes. I was thinking like how to say everything else is wrong.
Yeah, okay, good. All right, finish this as homework. Finish everything else as homework, okay?
After
Okay,
that.
can or not?
Okay.
All right, I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Jay, can you hear me? Go to the washroom first, can? Jay, are you there? Hi. Uh, I'm gonna I'm gonna restart the meeting, okay? All right, I'll make you the host and then I restart the meeting, okay? All right? Okay. I have to restart the meeting for something. Okay.